Good day everyone, I am Jacqueline Micilino Pacheco. For today's video, we're going to make biopesticide using lemongrass and papaya leaves. Making this, we just need lemongrass and papaya leaves. And also, step 1, we just need to cut the lemongrass leaves and also the papaya leaves. We'll mix it together to the water. And if you have blender, we can blend it, or you can smash the leaves to produce the extract. Simple as that. You can make a biopesticide. Leave it overnight, cover. After one night, we can check our extract. And now we separate the leaves from the extract. We need to use strainer or anything that can help separate it from the leaves. After that, we use plastic panel to transfer it to plastic so that we can use the biopesticide we make. This biopesticide is very useful on killing pests without using chemicals. It's good and effective. And ta-da! This is the biopesticide called lemon and papaya extract biopesticide. Thank you!